Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel and brand new video, and today's video I'll be telling you wait, actually I've done so many tutorials that now I forget that I'm not doing a new tutorial video for you guys. But anyways, in today's video I'll be doing a new product review for you guys, and the product and the knife is ready. So here are the product and the knife, and now without wasting time, let's dive in. Okay guys, so here's the product, and now what I will do is just quickly open this box. So let's open it quickly and you will see the product. And here's the product in 3, 2 and 1. Ta-da! So here's the product guys, which was inside this box. And now what I will do is first talk about this box first little bit, and then I will open this box and you will see this exact product inside. And as you can see, this is a microphone, and I had ordered it from Amazon. So I had ordered this microphone because I need it for my YouTube videos, and just like this which you are watching now. So I just need a better quality, and I will tell you ahead about this microphone, so stay tuned. But first, as I said, let's little bit talk about this box. And so as you can see, this is the company, and you can also see over here which says Boya. You can see this is a lavalier microphone, and basically a lavalier microphone is which you attach over here on your collar, and then you just start speaking. So as you can see over here, it also says that superb sound for presentations and video recording. So we will get to know at the end of this video, and as I will do a small test recording by this microphone and you will see the result. And so this is the company, and this is the model name of this microphone, which says BY-M1. So the whole name is Boya BY-M1. This microphone is also compatible with mobile phone, as you can see over here, then tablet or iPad, then laptop, cameras and camcorders as well. So this is the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. As you can see, there is some features at the back of the box and also some specifications as well. And so those features you can see are clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, etc., which was same over here and also over here with just icons. Then what we have is omnidirectional condenser microphone, and as you can see over here, so this is a 360 condenser mic. So from wherever you will speak, it will just collect the audio and you are good to go. And then what we have is high quality condenser, and is ideal for video use and low handling noise as well. Includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, and LR44 battery is just a small circular battery, and you will get to know when I will open this box, and then you will see what all is inside this box for this microphone. And then we have a foam windscreen, which is important, and 1x4 adapter. Then we have some specifications, and you can also see over here. So it has the frequency range given over here. You can see 65 Hz to 18 kilohertz. Then we have signal noise, and which is 74 decibels. So dB is decibels. And then we have connector and battery type and weight and some other more information, which you can see when you order this box if you are interested. And also all the links will be in the description, so if you are interested then you can surely check them out. And so let's go ahead and quickly open this box, and then I will show you the product inside.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I opened the box, and you can see it's pretty dark, but let's take it out quickly. Okay, so as you can see, this is a pouch which we get from Boya, and it's free, and it's also black, so you can't see, but you can see in light if I just show like this. Yeah, so here you go guys, and you can see the pouch clearly. And if you ask from which material this pouch is made from, so I would say it's leather, because by touching it, it's it's made from leather. And if you had that question, then yeah, you can comment on below and the answer will be the same. But let's go ahead, and here's our product. And as you can see, there is some more product inside this pouch. You will get one wind muff, extra connector, and the battery. So I will keep it aside for now, and let's see this first. So this is how the microphone will look. So this is the company as told before, and here's the on off button, and if you turn it up, then it will be on, and it will be for the cameras, and if you turn it off, then it will be for smartphones. And so this is pretty much the microphone, and here's the mic. And as I told you just now, that you will get one wind muff, and you will get a extra connector and the battery. So this is the battery I was talking about, and this is LR44 battery. And yes, so this is the microphone, and this is the box, and there is some paper inside the box. So here it is, and you will get a warranty card and a manual. So the manual is just a reference, but it's just a simple microphone, and I don't think you need this manual. And so let's open this. Okay, so here's the wind muff, and here's the battery, and here's the connector, and also there is one small pouch, and this is a small clip which you will get, and you can clip it onto your collar of your shirt or t-shirt. And yes, so this is the things which you will get. And let's open this battery as well. So here's a battery, and as you can see, this is pretty small, and you can, I think, easily get it in the market if you lose one, but do not try to lose this. And yeah, so let's quickly insert this battery in this, and let's test it out. Okay guys, so there you have it, and I hope this mic is making some changes. And once this is just a small test which I am doing with this microphone, and after this I will show you an example without this microphone. And so that's all, and I will show you now. Okay guys, and now this is without microphone, and here's the sound without microphone. So yeah, I hope you had an idea, and yeah, if you're interested, then the product link will be in the description, and if you're interested, then do check it out. And yeah, that's all, and how it sounds without this microphone. Okay guys, so as you just heard, and you also saw that part with microphone, and after that I said that you will see the difference with microphone and without microphone. So but I just wanted to interrupt and wanted to say that I just wanted to show you guys one more small test, and that will be outdoors. So as you just saw with microphone part, and that was indoors, and I just wanted to show you guys how it sounds outdoors when you are doing outdoors. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this, and also how it sounds with our microphone outdoors. So there are two differences now, and those are basically one with microphone and without microphone indoors, and one with microphone and without microphone outdoors. So this is how I wanted to conclude, and yes, so let's just do it quickly, and I hope you had enjoyed the rest of the video till now. And yeah, so let's go over there. Okay guys, so here's the audio quality from the mic Boya BY-M1 Lavalier microphone, and this is how the quality is. And now you will see the result without the microphone, and here's the audio quality without the microphone. And yeah, this is how the quality is without the microphone. And yeah, so here's the difference with microphone and without microphone. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and yeah, so there you have it guys, and I hope you had liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a like. And if you are new to this channel and want more videos and are interested, then click the subscribe button below and that small notification bell, so that you will not miss any of my new videos whenever I upload. And as always, if you have other questions, then do comment down below in the comment section. I will reply you for sure. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. And yeah, and I didn't put the microphone, but yes, I will use it in my future videos. And yes, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.